I'm Dave, and this is Austin's Kamado Joe Masterclass.
Last week, I made a batch of beef tallow in my Kamado Joe, and this week I want to use it to make some French fries. Beef tallow will absolutely improve your French fries, but at $10 to $15 for an 11-ounce jar, how much do you actually need? In this video, I conducted a side-by-side test, adding beef tallow a quarter cup at a time until I found the exact sweet spot where your fries stop improving. Stick around to the end, and I'll tell you the formula. Beef tallow is expensive. A jar of good tallow costs $10 to $15, and it doesn't keep well after you use it. You've got to filter out the food particles, store it in the refrigerator, and even then it's only good for a short time before the flavor degrades. So if you're going to use it, you want to use the minimum amount that still gives you that rich, beefy flavor on your French fries. That's exactly what I tested today. I set up my fryer with 150 ounces of canola oil. That's just about 19 cups, and I added beef tallow in quarter cup increments. At each level, I fried a small batch of Ore-Ida crinkle-cut fries and compared flavor side by side. Why frozen fries? Well, two reasons. First, if you're spending money on tallow, you want a test that's repeatable, not something that depends on how you cut and soak your potatoes. Second, a lot of people use good frozen fries. So we're using frozen fries for this test. Batch 1. Zero tallow, straight canola oil. These were the baseline fries. Crispy, golden, perfectly fine, but they taste like, well, canola oil. Neutral, no depth, just French fries. Batch 2, 1/4 cup of beef tallow was added to the oil. That's about 4 tablespoons mixed into 19 cups of canola oil. Clearly, it's a tiny ratio, less than 2% tallow by volume. And honestly, the difference was minor. A slight richness in the finish, and a whisper of that beefy note. But if you weren't paying attention, you'd miss it. For batch 3, I added another quarter cup for a total of a half a cup of beef tallow. This is where the graph spiked. Double the tallow from a quarter cup to a half a cup, and the flavor jump is dramatic. Now you've got that unmistakable beef tallow character. A savory taste, an umami richness that just sort of coats the French fry. The crust gets a little more golden, and it feels a little more textured. At the end of the video, check out my new cookbook, The Texas Backyard Kitchen, Complete Meals from Fire to Table. It's part barbecue book for the Kamado Joe and part go-to cookbook for every other day of the week. A link is in the description and pinned comment. For batch 4, I added another quarter cup for a total of 3/4 of a cup of tallow. More flavor, yes, but the improvement from half a cup to 3/4 of a cup, well, it was smaller than I expected. It was noticeable if you were really paying attention, but wasn't the leap that you get moving from a quarter cup to a half a cup. So I'm starting to see diminishing returns here. So batch 5 added another quarter cup for a full cup of tallow. Honestly, the improvement was very minor over 3/4 of a cup. The beef flavor is a little fuller, but you really would have to eat these side by side with the previous batch to notice any difference at all. Batch 6, 1¼ cups of tallow. No noticeable improvement at all, 0. The fries tasted exactly the same as the 1-cup batch. At this point, you're just pouring premium tallow into a fryer that's going to degrade after 1 or 2 sessions anyway. Now, to be fair, I imagine if I could cook French fries in nothing but beef tallow, I would notice a difference, but who can afford to do that? Remember, if you want to save the oil for a future cook, first let it cool, then strain it through a fine mesh filter lined with cheesecloth, refrigerate it, and use it again within a week. I don't save the oil from French fries because, first of all, it takes up too much room in the refrigerator, and I won't use it again before it goes bad. The good news is that you can spend a lot less than $10 to $15 for an 11-ounce jar of beef tallow. I found this 7-pound tub on Amazon for about 1/3 of the cost of what I could buy it for in my market. And it's what I used for this test, and it worked great. A link is in the description. I have used Wagyu beef tallow before for French fries, and it was good, but I think I need to taste them side by side to really figure out whether there's a difference. Maybe that will be the next video. So here's the answer. In 150 ounces of canola oil, roughly 19 cups, 1/2 cup of beef tallow is the minimum that delivers some real, unmistakable flavor difference. 3/4 of a cup gives you a bump, but it's modest. A full cup is the ceiling. Anything past that is just wasted money. For my everyday fries, I'm settling on 1 cup of beef tallow per 19 cups of canola oil. That gives me the fullest flavor I can measure, and it stops before the waste begins. If you use a different ratio, drop it in the comments below. I read every one. I invite you to check out my Kamado Joe Owner's Handbook. This is a 100-plus page book that I've written that covers everything you need to know about operating the Kamado Joe. It includes setup, seasoning, temperature control, troubleshooting, maintenance, and a lot of pro tips and techniques. Hey, if you liked the video, let me know, and please subscribe and turn on notifications. And watch my Kamado Joe 101 playlist right now.